Happy 60th birthday, ma. Wish you a good health, more birthdays to come. Stay beautiful, and I love you.
Hi Mama Nina, happy 60th birthday po. Alagaan niyo po lagi sarili niyo and I hope na ma-enjoy niyo yung araw niyo ngayon. Mag-ingat po kayo palagi and stay healthy.
Happy birthday po Mama Nine. Thank you po for always helping us. Palakas ka po and I wish you good health, happiness and more blessings to come po. We love you so much. Enjoy your day po. See you soon.
Happy birthday po Mama Nine, more birthday to come and God bless po. Ingat ka po palagi.
Hi Tita, happy birthday po. You are such an amazing woman and you have always been a strong role model for me. I wish you all the best, more power, good luck, and good health. Happy birthday!
Nick, happy 60th birthday. Sana masaya ka ngayong karawan mo na ika-60 mo. Huwag ka malungkot. Sige, masaya ka. At huwag mo isipin yung mga ramdaman mo sa katawan mo, yung mga sakit mo. Kaya mo yan. Hindi ka pa gaano katandaan. Malakas ka pa, Nick. Hindi ka pa mahina. Kaya mo yan. Marami pang birthday ang darating sa'yo. Sa ulit, happy 60th birthday. Enjoy.